PF logistics officer who works as a human trafficker on the side. The client wants him dead. He's currently on the run somewhere on the savannah with bodyguards. Unfortunately, we don't know what route they're taking. All we have to go on is a coded transmission sent by the PF at the Itati abandoned village. It appears to be a workup of the target's security plans, but to decipher it, we'll need an intel file with the encryption key. This key should be at the comms facility at the Itati abandoned village. Check your iDroid to see what the target looks like, as well as the location of the village. Find the route. Find the man.
Be careful down there, boss.
Marker placed. Please select a deployment point. Enemy presence detected. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
You made it to the Itati abandoned village. That's where the enemy PF's coded transmission came from. There's got to be a transmitter there somewhere. It could have the intel file containing the encryption key.
Analysis
Look for an antenna.
complete. The map has been updated.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Fast defensive positions and shoot the sniper.
Please select a deployment point.
Fire! Fire!
The map has been updated.
Justicia! Uno kontakt med störande Tamar. Alle eenheden gereed voor een aanval.
You gotta extract him. The prisoner you extracted was a civilian abducted by the target. He says the trafficker is trying to make contact with a human rights NGO. He hopes that by handing over his list of buyers, they'll guarantee his safety. But I don't get it. Why an NGO? Why run to someone else for help?
Fire!
Sun will rise momentarily.
Slow it down!
Intel file obtained.
According to this information, the target is headed for Gaziba Camp.
Extraction
We also have his
arrived
movement
at
route.
Mother Base.
I've updated your map. Use the
Outpost
target's route to
captured.
locate him. Eliminating him will be much harder if he makes it to the Gaziba Camp. Take him down on the Savannah.
Marker placed. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Caution, rain approaching. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete.
Feuer! Where are your friends?
He's coming too. Roger
Enemy
that.
presence detected. The map has been updated. Extraction arrived at Mother Base. You have arrived at your destination. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
That's the target's movement route. Let the hunt begin.
Marker placed. Enemy presence detected. The map has been up. Please select a deployment point.
¡Volando Kakuta!
Boss, the target's getting away. Don't let him make it to that outpost. Hurry!
Snake, talk to me! Snake!
Boss, the target is moving across the savannah. Find him and eliminate him. According to this information, the target is headed for Gaziba Camp. I've updated your map. Use the target's route to locate him. Eliminating him will be much harder if he makes it to the Gaziba Camp. Take him down on the savannah.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. You have arrived at your destination. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Please select a deployment point. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Boss, the target's getting away. Don't let him make it to that outpost. Hurry! Subject on board. Leave the rest to us.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis
That's the
complete.
target. Eliminate him, however you see fit.
The map has been updated. Analysis complete.
Boss, the target's getting away. Don't let him make it to that outpost. Hurry!
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
I got them!
Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Target extracted. We'll let the client know he's been dealt
Mission
with.
info has been
Exfiltrate out of the
updated.
hot zone by chopper or on land.
Weather will please select a landing zone. Support helicopter
Roger.
requested. Enemy presence detected. The map has been up. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
This is B-Quad. Arriving shortly at LZ. This is B-Quad. On station at LZ. Gaining altitude. Departing.
Exfiltrated
All right,
Hudson.
you're out of the hot zone. No enemy forces in pursuit. Mission complete.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Mission complete. Great work. Our trafficker was very talkative. Guinea pigs. That's what became of his kidnapped victims. Says he got a good look at that factory at Zoya Badiabulu when he dropped off some fresh guinea pigs for them, along with our man without a face. His instincts told him to run like the rat he is. Said it wasn't worth the money. Figured he could be next. That's when he went to the NGO for help. He thought that in exchange for his buyer's list, they could set him up with a new identity someplace far away. He had an idea who he was up against, and he didn't want to take any chances. A true rat. But like us dogs, he knew when he smelled trouble. And something else. He said the specimens come from deep in the forest. We don't know what he meant by specimens just yet, but those guinea pig symptoms match what we've seen on the infected at Mother Base. Deep in the forest. Maybe there's the clue we need to beat this infection. Boss, the truth could be right around the corner.
Side ops list updated.
Boss, we finally heard from one of our
Mission
missing
list
intel
updated.
team members. He says he has a solid lead on the epidemic at Mother Base. Take a look at the mission details ASAP.
Please select a landing zone. Heading to Mother Base.
Boss, about Eli. No matter how many times we talk to him, he just won't listen. He sees everything in terms of victory or defeat and still won't accept that you beat him. We're gonna have to put him in his place. Again. If you don't mind, come back to Mother Base and don't look around.